Here's a quick little video on how to use Word's numbering tool, how to have the numbers align on the left margin, and how to add a little bit of extra space between your numbered items. You'll notice that I have the ruler bar turned on. I can do that by clicking on View and putting a little check mark in Ruler. And I'm going to have my cursor sitting wherever in my document I want the numbers to start. I'm going to click on the numbers icon in the paragraph group, and that turns the number on. Now, what it automatically does, what Word automatically does, is it indents the numbers about 1/4 of an inch when it inserts them. So how you get it to go back over onto the left margin is you just go up to the Decrease Indent tool, click on that, and that pops it over onto the left margin. And you can just start typing your sentences. And just hit enter to go to the next one. And on we go. Now, what we want to do here, or if we want to have extra space between the sentences, what you want to do is you want to turn on your spacing after. It's a much easier thing to do than to just go back and hit enter in between each sentence, because then you have to start fiddling around with removing the numbers and whatnot, because extra numbers will be added. So rather than doing that, and you can do this before you number the sentences or whenever, because I have this information already sitting there, I'm simply going to select it, and I'm going to go up to the paragraph dialog box, and I'm going to change my spacing after to 6 points, which is about 1/2 inch. I'm going to make sure that there isn't a check mark in here. If you have a check mark here, it will ignore the spacing after in your list. So you want to make sure that you don't have the check mark there. Click on OK, and you'll see that it automatically added a little bit of extra space in between. And you can continue with your numbered list.